Thank you for watching this video, and now I'll show you how does ShortsZilla work and how it can convert any Shopify store to 24/7 YouTube Shorts machine. You are going to enjoy unlimited traffic and sales with zero ad spend. So, well, we have got a lot of results. A lot of channels are getting a lot of views from these automated shorts, which certainly results in more sales. I'm not a number guy. I don't like to show these like sales screenshot because result may differ for everyone. But important part is why we actually need YouTube Shorts automation. Well, reasons are pretty simple. If you want to create a short and post it on YouTube, then you still need certain technical knowledge. You need to think of the content which should be viral, which should be entertaining, and based on that, you need to create assets. You need to find right music, copyright free images, even the copyright free music, because if you get any kind of copyright notification, that then it spoils the channel's reputation and it will be difficult to monetize it in future, and eventually it may shut down if you get a lot of copyright strike. All right, with ShortsZilla this won't happen. And you also need to write descriptions, title, and SEO on the YouTube video, because you need traffic from YouTube search, also YouTube recommendation also, and it does depend on the description, title, and the SEO that you have done on that video. But the most important part that you need automation is because we are lazy. This is a fact. I'm sure you must be having certain YouTube channel. You must have post like 1 2 3 5 6 videos, and it doesn't work like this anymore. You have to be consistent, and with ShortsZilla you're going to create an automated videos posted automatically on YouTube, so you can still remain lazy, no problem with that, and yet it will create your content empire, send you a lot of traffic, and eventually sales of your Shopify product. Cool. So without wasting time, let's start with the demo. Let me show you how to convert any Shopify based product into YouTube Short and upload it to YouTube in one click. All right, so once ShortsZilla is installed, you will see something like this. And you don't need to worry about all these options. You just need to focus on these three options called basic shorts, shutter effect shorts, and slide effect shorts. So the basic short, this button, this particular file will create a very small but a very fast YouTube short from your Shopify store. In fact, any Shopify store. Shutter effect short will create the longest video with many effects on the video, like the images sliding in and like shattering. It's more of a in a way you can say it looks much better as a YouTube short, and people will watch it for more time, and you will get more watch time from this, but it will take more time to create this video by script. My favorite is called the slider effect short. It will create a gentle video where image slides in and slides off. Okay, so all you have to do is just use one of them and double click on them. Okay, and for one time only, you need to mention the Shopify store URL from which you want to create the shorts. It could be any store, even if it's not your store, that's not an issue. This is just a one-time step. So once you do it, it is like hard-coded on the file, and next time when you run it, you don't need to enter the URL again. So now the magic begins. What it's actually doing is it is going to the Shopify store, finding a product that we have not created the short before, and boom, it has found the specific product. It has saved all the images from that product to your computer, and using the background music file, it's now compiling it into a video. This is like, a whole image editor thing that you have to do manually, probably will take hours, but this is like a one-click thing. As I promised you, it's gonna be a one-click thing. So while the video is being created, because we have chosen a slider effect video, which will take a little bit time, meanwhile, let me show you what it has actually done is, it has downloaded this product. It's a product ID, and I'll show you the folder. It has downloaded all these images. It's some kind of wallet cover. Okay, so from these images, it's now compiling it into video. And apart from that, it has also downloaded the title file. Title is like a Shopify product title, which will be same as our YouTube short title. So this way, it is like an SEO. It's like optimized for the YouTube search also. And this is a handle. This is like a specific URL of that particular product, which will be posted into your YouTube account under comments. So whenever someone sees this video and check the comment, they will be able to go to the product directly. everything is automated. I'm just showing you the backend, how the script actually works. You don't need to actually go to these folders. All right, let me go back again. Cool. So this is background music. This is a file that I've already saved here. This is an MP3 file. You can use any kind of background music that you want. Even if the file is like too long, doesn't matter, because the software will cut it into the specific timeline, which matches with the overall video length. So you don't need to worry about it. Okay, and apart from that, just ignore all other options. You don't need to worry about them, but just don't delete them, okay? Because this is like what's really needed to actually post the shot. Meanwhile, in the command prompt, you can see what it has actually done is it created, it took a video from the Shopify store, something, a very funny dog breed name, which probably I will not be able to pronounce, something called Shipperke. Shipperke? I have no idea how you pronounce that, but this is one of the dog breed, and this particular store is like one of the biggest pet store that comes from our core product called the breed business. Well, that's something else not related to the ShortsZilla. But meanwhile, you can see we have completed 69% of the video. Sorry, it has compiled all the images, background music, timeline. It is also resizing everything with the YouTube Shorts dimensions. As per the YouTube Short, it has to be in certain size. Only then you can upload it onto the YouTube. And after it has finished the processing of the video, it will go to the YouTube, youtube.com, studio.youtube.com. That is the link of your YouTube channel. And it will try to upload the video just like human. We made the script in a way that it should actually look like a human being is uploading the video, because YouTube particularly hates automation. They don't like software script to upload something on the YouTube automatically. So if you want, you can do it manually too. You can ask script software not to post the video to YouTube, but I love it because it's easy, and as I told you, I love the one-click thing, so I want it to do what I have actually created. So we are done like 96, 97%, just 3% more, 2% more, and the video with the audio and everything is completed. So yes, we are done. The video is completed, and now it is going to YouTube automatically. You can see this line, Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So this is one of my sample YouTube channel. Just like, when you normally upload the video, you go to the channel, you click on the upload button on the right side, which is not visible right now. But the software is doing the same thing. It is actually clicking the links. It does not just automatically, goes to the links. It clicked the link. So the YouTube thinks that it's being done by like a normal human, like a real person, and not by the machine. Okay, so now it click on the upload video. It's finding that particular file, and it's going to that file, which it has just created. You can see the file name here. Let me just kill this window. This file name, you can see it's the exact same one that it has created. And it has used the hashtag also, which is very unique. I love using unique hashtags for all of my shots, because once it gets viral, the hashtag also gets viral, and you are going to get a lot of traffic. This description is something that we have mentioned in the description file, like multiple description. So it is choosing randomly from those, and it is also posting the tags here, just like TikTok, because YouTube does look into the description for the tag. After that, it goes to the next field. Let me scroll it down a little bit to show you what it's actually doing. Okay. Okay, so it does not choose playlist. It just goes to the next part, which is the tags. Let's just go to the tags. It has already done the checks, what we call the human checks. Okay, it's done. So no issues found. And now it is going to publish your shot. You can see on the right side, the video that it is created is 28 seconds long. And we are almost done. It is again taking a little bit of pause, like a human pause. So after that, here we go, it's done. It has posted the video. This is one part of the magic. Now start the second part of the magic. Once a video is posted, let's see what it's gonna do now. It will actually going to click on the video link. It will go to a specific shot that it has just created. Here we go. This is the shot it created. Why? Because it is going to post a comment with the link of the product. So all the traffic that goes to this shot, and when they check the comment, because the video itself says check first comment. If I scroll it down, oops, I should not touch it. Okay, here we go. So it opened the comment box automatically, and this is the comment that you have already mentioned. We have already shared a few comments in the file, so you don't need to choose itself. Now it is waiting for a few moments, just like a normal user. And as you can see, it is going to type the comment. It's not pasting it, just like a natural human behavior. It is going to type it, like click here to buy this product. And based on the URL that we have fetched with this particular product, it is going to send them to the exact same link. Not just the Shopify store, rather the exact same product, and boom, the comment is posted. So here we go. Now, do you want to see the video? I will do that. Meanwhile, it will also delete this video from our file, from our system, so the computer does not get heavy, because eventually you're going to make like hundreds or thousands of shots in future. And it says the upload is complete, everything is completed. Now let me just go to the YouTube channel to show you that particular shot. Okay, so let's go to studio. Here we go. I want to show you the exact shot that it has created. All right, let's go to the content. You can see the shot is already here, but let me just play it for you. So it has already posted it into SD, but now it's processing it for HD also, because it creates very high quality video which are all HD. But I just want to show you the kind of video it created. Let's go view on youtube.com. Let's search watch our short video. So this is the music that I've chosen from the file. And as you can see, sliding down the images one by one. Shows all the images and everything. And what about the comment? It says 0, but it's actually there's as you can see, everything is done. Let me go back to the software. It's totally automated. Now, if you want to create the next one, you just need to go to another one. I'm going to show you. I will not post this video, next one, but I'll just show you what it is going to do. Next time when you do it, let's go with the basic shot. I just want to show you the shot, not going to post it. So now this time it's not asking for any URL because it has already taken it from the first time. And the process is again same. Let's go back to the folder. It is going to the new product, finding the new ID, and done. It has just found a new ID, which is this one. Let me show you. So this is the new product that this time it has fetched from the store. It's called Bearded Collie Dog Print Women's Leather Wallet. So again, it's repeating the process, and meanwhile, you don't need to touch anything. You can go anywhere and it will create the video, post it, and everything. So guys, this is the power of ShortsZilla. You can create as many shots as you want. You can create different kind of shots you want, different style, different things, and everything is automated, right? So, yep. Now let's get back to the video, because I'm sure you understood how it's gonna work. So for any questions, you can always, of course, email me. All right, so that was the video. As you can see, it was pretty simple and easy to use. ShortsZilla is truly a one-click software that can complete everything, right? It converts your Shopify product to YouTube short. It optimizes it with title, description, and tag that you have seen in the video. It posts it to YouTube automatically. I personally love this part because posting on YouTube is very time consuming and it's boring, to be honest. And then it also posts the first comment on YouTube short as a purchase link of the product. So once someone is watching the short, and because on the short video itself we say check the description, check the first comment to buy the product. So they check the comment, and there's a direct link to the Shopify product which they can click and make a sale, complete the purchase, right? So another great part is, of course, you're going to generate unlimited shorts 24/7. Oh, this is lovely because it's so easy to do that. You've already seen that in video, so I don't need to put more focus in that. Okay, but the question is how you can 10x the power of ShortsZilla. Like, for example, it's creating one shot from your Shopify store, but how you can do it 10 times. It's simple. Even if you don't have any Shopify store right now, you can create one, and by using simple Shopify plugins, you can import products from AliExpress, Amazon to your Shopify store, and eventually, because it's on the Shopify store, the ShortsZilla will convert those products into YouTube Shorts. So you're gonna make a lot of money from AliExpress and Amazon. My personal favorite is AliExpress, of course, because it's easy and they have like millions of products to choose from. And because you're sending free traffic to your products, you're getting free sales. So there is nothing wrong in trying, right? So this is the way you can actually 10 times the power of ShortsZilla. So even if you don't have any Shopify store today, don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you in the members area how you can use simple plugins from AliExpress and Amazon to create a Shopify store in the matter of minutes. Now the question is, you have seen the power of ShortsZilla, but how to get the access to ShortsZilla script? Well, it's simple. You can choose from two plans. I have carefully drafted two plans that suits your goal, how many videos you want to create, how frequently you want to create those YouTube Shorts and everything. So based on your budget, based on your targeted goal of having a YouTube Shorts empire, you can choose this plan. So the first plan is called Light Plan, ShortsZilla Light Plan. In this, you can access the ShortsZilla from one PC, one computer. You can access the software, but it is limited to the personal use only. That means you cannot use it for anyone else. And you can post those automatically created shorts in one YouTube account only, all right? And these shorts should come from your Shopify store. So although ShortsZilla can create shorts from any Shopify store, but in the light plan, it is limited to your Shopify store. And you can expect a support time for up to 48 hours because we get a lot of support requests, and our priority will always go with the pro plan because people have invested more money and they have like more videos and they have bigger plans for YouTube and Shopify. So that's why the priority support goes to the pro plan. But still, if the light plan suits your budget, just go ahead with it. This is called the ShortsZilla Pro plan. This is my favorite because this is like everything. It is literally the all-in plan for the ShortsZilla. So you can access ShortsZilla set up in 20 PCs. It's like, I mean, you can give it to your friends or someone so they can check it, they can use it from their own computers. So license is limited to 20 PCs, which is like more than enough. You won't probably need it for more than 2 or 3 computers, like a laptop or a desktop. And then it have personal, commercial, unrestricted use. That means you can actually create shorts for the clients. The simple way, let me explain it to you. If you go to any Shopify store and you don't want to create a Shopify store, but you want to create some kind of passive income, some kind of recurring income. So in the commercial use, you can simply approach to the Shopify store owner and show them the video that you have already created using ShortsZilla for their store. So once they see the ready-made ShortsZilla video for their own products, for their own Shopify store, then it's really easy to put them on some kind of monthly retainers. Like for example, you can charge them something like $19 per month or maybe $49 per month. It's up to you. And for that, you can create shorts for their Shopify products and make extra money. So this is the commercial usage, and you can do it for as many people as you want, right? You can further use it for 10 YouTube accounts. In ShortsZilla itself, you can run the script in a way that it will post one shot in one YouTube account, and then when next time it runs, it's gonna post it to the other YouTube account. So this way you can use in up to 10 YouTube accounts. So you can, in a way, you scatter all the shots of different Shopify store or even the same Shopify store in different accounts. So this way your reach will increase 10 times to the different YouTube audience, right? Further, you can use it for any Shopify store. Like personal plan, you have to use it for your own Shopify store, but in the pro plan, you can use it for any Shopify store, and that's how you can use it commercially. All right, and you also get a priority support because you are going to get your emails replied very fast by a dedicated technical support team. They will help you to get started. They will help you to get going without wasting any time. But ShortsZilla Pro plan is limited to the first 10 customers due to the technical capacity. This is a new software. I don't want it to be out for many people because, YouTube doesn't really like automation. So we're going to keep it to a limited number of users. We'll have a Facebook group so we can discuss strategies, and we can even develop software with more features, with more platforms in the future. So yeah, the Pro plan is like all in one. It's all in, and if I would be you, I would go with the Pro plan because this is totally unrestricted. So once you are ready with the Pro plan or the Lite plan, once you secure a spot, then once you pay for it, then you're going to get the ShortsZilla access. So how do we give the access? There are multiple ways. First, if you are a Mac user like me, you will get an access to Amazon AWS, which is like a remote computer. You just need to enter certain information and you will be logged into a different computer where the software is already installed. You just need to update your Shopify URL and you're good to go. So you don't need to go any kind of technical, you don't need any knowledge for that installation and all. It's ready to go for you. All right, but if you have a Windows computer, Windows laptop, then you can install the script yourself. But let me be clear to you, you need certain technical knowledge, like because software works on a programming language called Python, it needs certain environment to run. So there will be a PDF or a video in the members area that will help you to install the script. So although it won't take much of a time, but yeah, it needs, let's say, a certain amount of knowledge to get started with a Windows computer. So I would still suggest you, even if you have a Windows computer, you ask us to give you the Amazon AWS access, so you can just run the software without wasting time in the installation and all. You will also get access to the members area, which does have installation and training videos, like how to install the software and how you can use ShortsZilla with the maximum effect and capacity and to get most out of your bucks. All right, support will get you started. They will create your account in Amazon, so you will receive a login access. As I've said before, you just go, you log in, and you start using the ShortsZilla script. Every setup is unique and it's auto stamped by the client because we don't want it to share everywhere. We want it to keep in between a limited number of people to make it more powerful, to make it more useful for everyone in the group. Okay. And finally, to use ShortsZilla, you only need the YouTube account to get started. Of course, you need a Shopify also, but in case you don't want to create your own Shopify store, as I've told you before, you can use any Shopify store that you want to. Now, before you choose your plan, from the bottom of the screen, there is an important announcement that you need to keep in mind. Access is limited. Because I personally use ShortsZilla, I am enjoying the benefit. I'm enjoying the lot of traffic, easy traffic, one-click traffic. So I have decided to keep the access to the limited number of members so we can actually develop the software to become, like a unicorn in its own niche, right? So it will be limited to the number of users. That's why the price might look a little bit higher, but it's important because of the high price, we are going to get less number of members. But what I can promise to you that it is going to worth every penny, because this will take care of your YouTube part of your business, which is very important these days. Okay, so let's cut the chase and talk about the price, how much it's going to cost. For that, what you can do is you can just check the screen, just scroll below and you can see the buttons of Pro plan and the Lite plan, and based on your budget, just go for it. Once again, as a creator of the product, as a user of the product, I would strongly recommend you to go with the Pro plan, because this way we don't need to monitor your activities and everything, and you have everything to your disposal. You can start creating your shorts right away, and of course in the one click. So this is all in the ShortsZilla presentation. For any question, you can see my email address again under this video. You can email me, you can reach out to me, and I'll get back to you personally, and I'll help you with any questions that you might have. So thank you for watching this video, and enjoy your ShortsZilla access and create as many shorts you want, and just make your YouTube video empire based on the Shopify products. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.